In this video, I'll show you guys how to turn off notification sounds on your Gmail app. So let's begin. First thing you need to do is just hold down your Gmail app here and then select app info, and then you will need to select notifications from the options. So yeah, this page, as you see this, allow playing sound, just toggle it off and on your phone. Just like you'll get a notification but you don't hear any sound. So that's it. That's how you basically how to turn off email notification sounds on Android. So thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.